of immigration crackdowns often say this is to deport violent criminals.
But records show most ICE detainees at the Butler County Jail anyway have no criminal record other than entering the country illegally. WCPO 9 News reporter Alex Nell breaks down the numbers.
A recent analysis by our partners at the Journal News found that most of the inmates held under ICE detainers at the Butler County Jail aren't facing violent criminal charges. They found that on July 10th, there were nearly 400 detainees in the jail. Less than 8% of them had charges other than immigration law violations.
These people are here for opportunity. Many are working at jobs we need.
Residents brought concerns about this to the most recent Butler County Commissioners meeting, pleading to reconsider who is brought in the jail.
Please get out of the deportation business.
We'll discuss that with the sheriffs, but that's what you're saying is contrary to what I've been told.
Part of the public outcry has been sparked by cases like Emerson Calendris, a 19-year-old who was recently detained at the Butler County Jail before being deported back to Honduras. He had no criminal history, but his family's asylum case was denied in 2023.
How has a case like that maybe resonated with folks you've talked to?
If it can happen to Emerson, I think it can, it can happen to anyone, I think, is what people believe.
Immigration attorney Neil Fleischer says anxieties are so high that he even gets calls from people who are in the country legally, wondering how cautious they need to be.
I think a lot of people are honestly terrified, not going out of the house, not driving as much.
Fleischer acknowledges that some immigrants in the country without the right documentation are breaking the law, but he says the focus on nonviolent immigrants is creating a lot of anxiety.
They're going after the easy, low-hanging fruit, people with prior deportation orders, going on these mass raids, arresting people with pending criminal charges that may eventually get dropped.
I reached out to the sheriff's office to learn more about the specifics of their contract with ICE and whether it specifies holding violent criminals. I'm still waiting to hear back. In Butler County, I'm Alex Nall, WCPO 9 News.